So in this video, I'd like to show how we can make a variation on this button. So at the moment, this button has a fixed width. So if I select it, you can see that it's 200 wide, 200 points wide. And this button label is was set so that it's actually pinned or anchored 8 points from either end. What I want to do is actually have it so that the button width itself will be dependent on the text width. So I'll jump into the code, and first thing I'll do is I'll remove that anchoring of the text in the middle, and I'm going to give this text a label. Sorry. So that has a label now that we can actually refer to the label. And here, rather than having a fixed width of 200, I'm going to say it's going to be label.width plus 16. And what I need to do is anchor it. So anchor this in the center. So right now it's centered on Y, but we actually just want it to be centered in X and Y. That's not really enough padding, so let me increase that. Let's go 32. Okay, so there we go. This button is now proportional to the text in it. So if I go over here where we actually created this button, so if I select that, you can actually click on any of these properties here and takes it to where that property is being set. So if I say tap on me, please, you can see that the button is getting wider. And when I click on the button, or when I tap on the button, it's going to change the text, and the button width will change as well. So there are certainly cases where you want to do this. It's not always something you want to do, but this is something that's actually not that easy to do in some other environments. So I thought it'd be good to demonstrate how easy it is to do that in Zing.